Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw a shy guy. So first let's get started, and we're gonna start by drawing in the face. So on the top for the circle, we're gonna curve this line out towards the left. And we're just gonna continue to bring this all the way around and then in towards the middle. Let's start back on our top line now, and we're gonna curve this line all the way around and then in towards the middle, blending that in on the bottom. For the eyes now on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big oval. And then coming down on a diagonal, we'll replicate that over on the right-hand side. In the middle for the mouth, we're going to draw in another oval, just making that smaller in the center. Now let's move in on the top. We're going to draw in a curved line from the top, bringing that all the way around and then in on the bottom. And then on the right-hand side, we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Moving down for the mouth, we're going to arch this line up and in towards the top. And now let's draw in the back portion here. So we're going to curve this line out and then down. Moving further in, we're going to curve this line around and then in towards the bottom. From that corner, we're just going to draw in a diagonal line in towards that line. For the strap behind the mask now, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then dropping down, we'll replicate that. Let's draw in the arm now. So on the right-hand side, we're going to arch this line up and then over towards the side of the page. And then from that point, we're going to curve this line back around and in. From here, we're going to curve this line down and then back in. And then moving up, we're going to draw in a curved line that comes down. Underneath that, we're going to arch this line over and down on the right. And now let's move up on a diagonal and draw in our left arm. So coming up on a diagonal from this point, we're going to arch this line out. From the corner here, we're going to arch this line back around and then in. And then moving down, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line. From here now, we're going to curve this line across and over. And then underneath here from the point, we're just going to curve this line down, bringing this all the way across and joining that at a point. In the center for the belt, we're going to draw a curved line that comes up, and then we'll come down on a diagonal, replicating that. Now on the top, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And then on the bottom, we're just going to arch this line out. On the top on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line over. And then starting on the right-hand side, we're going to curve this line all the way over and down towards that top line. Starting on the bottom, we're going to curve this line across again. Now let's draw in our foot. So on the left-hand side in the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then starting from that corner, we're going to arch this line back around and then in. And then one more time, we're just going to curve this line up and then down. Moving in behind this now, we're going to replicate that. So we're going to curve that around and then in. And then again from that point, we're just going to curve this line back around and then out on the side. And then to close off the bottom of the shoe, we're just going to curve this line behind and then back up. Let's move down and draw on the right foot now. So coming underneath, we're going to curve this line around and then in. And then from that corner, we're just going to arch that up towards the top. Moving behind this now, we're going to curve this line back around and in, following that pattern. And then we're going to curve this back down and then up. And then behind this, we're just going to draw in a small curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw a shy guy. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all in the next one.